is 2. I am finally on my way to Harwich Ferry. It's just gone 6, so it's about 6:30. I'm running late. I've got a ferry at 9 o'clock. I was meant to ride over to Harwich last night, but this week I have been plagued by lots of things stopping me getting there. Firstly, the weather obviously has been atrocious, and when I got off my bike on Wednesday I twisted my back and I could hardly walk, let alone get on my bike. So I had lots of pain relief, and then yesterday was feeling very, very groggy, very lightheaded from the codeine and everything, and very sick. It's not been great. I couldn't ride yesterday. I've been awake since about 2, listening to the rain pouring down on the roof. Great way to start the tour. Would not be soaking wet. So I don't really want to be doing that. I'm just going to stop. You'll see a pub coming up here on the left. See that pub, the Walkwell Bell? See that scaffolding? That's because a car hit this grass the other day and launched into the pub and actually landed in the pub. Thank goodness nobody was killed or hurt, apart from the driver, who was high on drugs and alcohol and did a runner, even though everybody knows her. I am cold and wet already. I am feeling very sick. I am still in pain. Certainly nowhere near as bad as it was. I can at least get on and off my bike, and at least I don't have to walk to ride. But yeah, very sick, very lightheaded still, but not because of physical illness. Today it is because of anxiety. I am feeling very, very anxious. I really am having to feel the fear and do it anyway. Not quite sure what the anxiety is about, other than I am just anxious at the moment and in a bit of a catastrophising state of mind, which isn't great. Worried about everyone and everything. Just having to tell myself, just do it. You know, people not relying on me, but I've got plans to meet Alison Stephens Winchester at Holland, and we've been trying to ride out together for 3 years, and now it's actually happening. I'm meeting Lynn and Ian and Dave and Mark and Rachel and Teresa as well, and some of the other Can Am people over in Austria when we get there. I think probably my fear is getting to the ferry terminal, getting on the ferry, especially if my TomTom won't recognise the postcode, or Harwich Ferry, so I'm having to use my phone in the rain, but they're meant to be waterproof, right? So that's fine. And I kind of know my way. Then got to get on the ferry and sit on there for 7 hours. Now, I'm not the best of sailors anyway. I do get very, very seasick, so again, not a great way to start the tour, especially as it's like 7 hours on the boat. And it looks like it's going to be wet, windy, and probably a bit of a rough crossing. And of course, I'm out of control. And I don't want to drown at sea, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to. We'll be fine. Oh, goodness me. Oh, the road's really wet, miserable, rush hour traffic. But yeah, I was just thinking a little bit more about my anxiety. And the thing is, I don't know about you, but I've had a few premonitions in my life. And when we're a bit like that, it's really difficult to determine whether it's anxiety or a premonition that we're having. And I also believe that we write our path before we get here, and that we have many outs along the way. And I'm like, oh, this is one of my outs. And it's not been helped by the fact that Itchy Boots, I'm sure many of you follow her. If you don't, go and check her out. Itchy Boots crashed in Africa. And I'm like, if Itchy Boots can crash? But then again, given the amount of mileage she does on her bikes, then, you know, she's probably higher up there on the odds. But she's okay, she's back home, she's safe and sound, which is the main thing. And hopefully she'll be back out and riding again real soon. Well, my ferry's obviously in because about 15 bikes just went the other way. I'm like, oh my goodness, how horrible, getting off the boat and coming into this horrible, horrible weather. And although it is very cold and it is very wet, I'm just riding along thinking, you know what, 4 years ago I would have been waking up with a hangover and feeling rough and wondering or counting down the hours till about 12, 1 o'clock when I could open my next bottle. And the anxiety I'm feeling right now is far, far better than the anxiety I used to get when I was drinking. We've made pretty good time. I'm 15 minutes away from the ferry port. This would be quite beautiful if it wasn't so yucky. My positive brain just kicked in there and went, it is still quite beautiful, Corinna. It's just rain. The sun is still there, we just can't see it. So I'm looking forward to finding some of the sunshine in me today at some point. Hopefully when I'm on the ferry and warmed up and dried out. I've got my mud jacket on, my Can Am mud jacket, which is a pretty good waterproof. The biggest problem with it is the poppers aren't good. They keep coming undone, especially when it's very windy like it is today. So I've had to stop a few times. They're all well, I've got one done up at the moment. I'm trying to grab the rest of it around me because my leather's pretty wet through. Never mind, still got 7 hours to hopefully dry. So I'm now at Harwich, and it is really well signposted actually as to where to get to the port. And I can see all the stuff in the distance. Just got to find the Stena line now. I do like Stena. I went with them with Ireland, and they do charge the same for motorbikes and Can Am Rykers and for trikes, which is really good. Because some ferries, people get there, they book on as bikes, and they get there, and they have to pay car fees. I've even had that on a little four-car ferry across the water before, and in car parks I had to argue whether this is a bike or a car. It's not, it's a trike. And you know, you get some abuse. It's like I put a little thing on TikTok the other day of the whole point was that I'd bought 3 milkshakes, and I was on my bike, not in the car, and I happened to say, and then I remembered I was on my motorbike. Well, the abuse I got from people, it's not a motorbike, that's a trike. Oh dear, looks like there's a bit of a queue. Oh, okay. Harwich International. Thank you. Soon be on the boat. Hopefully, once I'm through this bit, navigate me to the motorbikes and let me on first to strap in or strap down. Not that I usually get strapped down, but they do usually let me on with the bikes. So this is one area usually where I don't have to negotiate or argue whether I'm a bike, a trike, or a car. I've been stopped at security. Deep joy. I hope I haven't got to get all my camping gear and empty everything out. It's going to be a nightmare. Good morning. Perfect, thank you. Oh, that was good. All I had to do was open my one of my side panniers. They didn't care which one, so now the woman at the thing told me to go to lane 1, but luckily there's somebody in orange directing me. Oh, just gone through a puddle though, and I think I'm going to go straight on by the looks of things. Lane 4, yeah. I'm not with the bike, so looks like it's just going to be the same for everybody. There's my ship, I think. Oh, just waiting because the people on push bikes have got to walk up the hill. Still stuck behind the 2 push bikes, walking with the bikes. Oh, nearly in the warm. We're nearly there. Sea looks mighty choppy out there. Oh. All will be well. It will be okay. It's going to be dry, hopefully. Unless it sinks, of course, and it's going to be very wet, isn't it? Stop thinking like that, Corinna. At least I joked about it. My anxiety seems to be the build up and getting to places, and once I'm actually here, it's okay. But that's what anxiety's like, isn't it? All the time. It's the build-up, it's the thinking a bit, and once we're here, it's not quite so bad. Okay, so, I'm being called over, hopefully, to the bikes. That's good. Oh, still behind the push bikes. I'm going to go down to the bike section. So I think if I'd got here earlier, I would have been on earlier for strap down and that. Thank you. Here we go. Some fellow bikers. See, no argument about me being on 3. I'm a bike here.
So I'm now on the Stena Britannica on the ferry, editing my video, and all I can hear everyone shouting at me is, "It's a ship! It's a ship! Not a boat." Too busy talking about trikes and motorbikes, weren't I? So there you go. I'm here, very wet, very soggy. I've taken over as I usually do, all my stuff spread out to try and get it dry. I don't know that it's going to because it's not particularly warm in here. I have got a little place with a lay down couch, so I've got some Dramamine in me, so I hopefully won't get too seasick. Gonna have a little sleep. I'm feeling very happy and very grateful that I bought a spare lot of waterproofs. So I'm going to put nice dry ones on for when I get off the ship. So I will see you in Holland. Ta-ta for now.